Hey, let's have a real talk about something most of us were never taught: how to actually wash your breasts and vulva. These are delicate parts of your body, and taking care of them the right way can help you avoid irritation, dryness, and even infections. So let's break it down. No shame, just facts. First, your breasts, especially under the fold, sweat can build up, and that can lead to rashes or even yeast infections. Here's what you do. Use lukewarm water and a mild unscented soap. Gently wash under the breast crease and around the nipples, but don't scrub the areola. It's super sensitive. Make sure you rinse off any soap because residue can cause irritation. Pat dry with a soft towel, especially in the folds, and if you want, use a light unscented moisturizer to prevent chafing. Avoid perfumed soaps, scrubbing hard, or using talcum powder. Trust me, your skin will thank you later. Now the vulva. Never wash inside the vagina, it's self-cleaning. But the outer area, the vulva, does need gentle hygiene. Wash with just water or a mild fragrance-free soap. Gently spread the labia and rinse. Don't force it, just let the water do its thing. Clean around the clitoral hood and folds, rinse well, and always pat dry. Once a day is plenty, unless you've been sweating or after sex. Skip douching, perfume soaps, and anything antibacterial or harsh. After your period, a workout, or sex, it's tempting to scrub everything, but be kind to your skin. Rinse with warm water, swap into dry cotton underwear, and let the area breathe. If irritation pops up, skip shaving or tight clothes for a bit. And if you notice strong odors, constant itching or rashes, don't just wash more. That's your sign to see a doctor. The bottom line? Caring for your body is about being gentle and confident, not perfect. Use mild products, don't clean inside the vagina, and respect your skin. It's working hard for you. Want more real, respectful education? Subscribe to the Institute of Human Physiology for more no-shame science.